Uh-huh. Yeah, we gotta find a
Are
way.
you the Phantom?
Phantom? Wait, I am the Phantom! Hello everyone, I am a Phantom, and welcome to Ratchet and Clank Rifts Apart. Now, man, I have never played any Ratchet. Well, that's a lie. I did play a couple of Ratchet and Clank because I was so Sly Cooper deprived, and since Ratchet and Clank and Jack and Daxter were part of the same mascots for PlayStation 2, I decided to play Ratchet and Clank on PlayStation 2, which was alright. But I really wish that they would have prevented Ratchet from slipping. It's like his feet are all greased up. I mean, and yeah, I've tried to like play the remastered version for the PlayStation 2, but that video really got so much like regional bans. The only place you could probably see it in is America. It's probably because like I don't know why, but the film it was based off the movie which they produced, which really didn't turn out well. But what you can do? I did play that game, and it was really fun. And I hope this latest rendition of Ratchet and Clank is really good. And let's hope that this Ratchet and Clank, doesn't really get any regional bans. I tell you. But anyways, so yeah, the main. If you guys don't know who Ratchet and Clank are, let me give you a brief summary. Ratchet is a Lombax who came from God knows where. I don't know the lore. And Clank is a malfunction uh, murder drone who crash landed on the same planet that Ratchet was on, and then they both teamed up and made the whole franchise together. And I can't wait to play this new rendition of it. And before we start, I just want to say, thank you guys for watching, support my channel, support pretty much everything I do. You guys are awesome, feel awesome, and yeah, don't forget the like button, comment down below, what's your favorite thing about Ratchet and Clank Rifts Apart? What do you like about it? Do you like that there's a new Lombax in there? Or what? Anything. And don't forget to join Dragoners by subscribing and ring the bell icon so you get notified whenever upload. Alright, let's do this. We're gonna do a new one. Ooh. Oh, this is probably difficulty. Okay, leader. Legends. Okay. Health damage. Damage and health. Okay. How about recruit? Okay. And oh, I guess they're both. Heroes can't die during combat. What? Perfect beginners or casual heroes. Casual heroes that want to focus on the story. Heroes can't die during combat. Perfect. Okay, I guess this one's heroes can't die, and this one's heroes can die. Let's see, balanced choice for more experienced players. I'm gonna go with this one. Let's see, subtitles. We're gonna turn them on. Let's go with I'm on my way. Now, largest, standard, standard. Let's go standard. Okay. Background. We can change. Oh, no. Let's do that. What about this? What'd this do? Oh, okay. Oh, you really can't see that. Okay, I think this one would work. And I'm guessing that this would. Oh, cool. Wait a second. Oh, it does have that. Yeah, I'm going to put that one on because that's basically my colors. Alright. Now we're good. On the subtitles. What is this? HDR. Flexible. Let's go with flexible. Shut up, phone. Let's see. Let's just not really mess with anything other than the other, you know. Because I don't know how that'll look on your end. So let's start the game. Okay. Where are we gonna start? What are those? Those look bad. Them look bad. Uh-huh. Okay. I don't trust that. Okay. Well, he's running. This is part of resistance. Okay. I don't trust the nearest VIP things. I don't trust you. Alright. Ooh! Hello. Who are you? Okay. Are you,
Your suit seems to be working nicely.
Uh-huh.
Right in.
Okay, what's going on?
There is the assistant.
Uh-huh.
There is the infobot.
Oh, okay. Guess we gotta get the infobot. Here we go. Nice.
Masterful work. Now
Uh-huh.
get out of there and decrypt that thing.
Okay.
Where is the infobot?
Nowhere. Okay, when do I get to play? Oh. That's a gigantic robotic centipede. I never thought I would see that again. Uh-oh. Oh no!
Go. Your ship is up ahead.
You gotta help.
Where are you going?
Helping. Uh-oh. Oh no. We're coming to help, don't worry. Here we go. Oh. Ooh, I got a hammer. Take that! You right? You alright? No, you're fine.
Hey, it's okay.
Uh-huh.
See?
Hey!
Me.
Rivet! Nice.
Shh. Gotta go.
Uh-huh.
Here, it'll help you get home. I decided
Really?
to be one size fits all.
Oh, okay.
So it should. Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright. I got Rivet on my side. Oh, she's wanted. Uh-oh. Better not stand right over there with your wanted poster literally right there. Oh! Hey, there's Ratchet! Wow. What just
I
happened?
think it's weird to throw a celebration for us.
Oh.
I mean, we haven't done anything heroic in
Yeah,
years.
you could say that again.
What if everyone thinks we're washed up?
Oh.
What if we are washed up?
Luckily,
What?
you will not need to perform any heroics.
Really?
Unless you count smiling and waving.
Oh. Ratchet, you're my favorite. Okay, let's please the public. Hello. What's up? Well, there's the information you probably will see in the future. Uh-huh. Yeah. Okay. Let's do it, Quark. Oh, yeah. Grab your wrench. Oh, all right.
Wow, haven't seen these guys in ages.
Okay. Okay. Hang on, I gotta change some stuff in the settings. Controls. Vibration. Okay. No, not that. Controls. Here we go. Shortcuts. Sensitive. No, camera sensitivity. Yeah. Let's go with 3. There we go. How'd that work? Alright, I like that. I like 3.
This is a pretty big turnout.
I guess. Hey, my Ratchet! Nice! Perfect.
Folks, we have a momentous day
Uh-huh.
for you. Starting
Nice.
with
Yeah.
ending with a surprise gift.
Ooh!
Clank to Ratchet.
Nice. A new surprise.
Oh, dear.
Not a new
Must
surprise.
you tell the entire galaxy?
I don't know.
A gift?
Yeah.
For what?
Oh, you will see.
Ooh,
It is
I
a
can't
witness
wait.
at the front of the parade route.
Alright.
We better get moving then.
Alright, I'm going.
Started on planet Delta.
Uh-huh. Ooh, perfect. Nice.
That night, Clank
Ooh. Money? Money! Hey, look, there us.
the rest is intergalactic.
Nice. How'd I jump? I didn't jump, but whatever. Alright, we got some good old money. Alright. Ratchet Slam! Alright. Let's go ahead and, go in here.
Our heroes will clear
Uh-huh.
festive barricade.
Really? Ooh, I can aim and throw. Nice.
Get the Blarg invasion of
Ooh!
Ottawa.
Nice! A gun!
Some of those world-class sharpshooters.
Nice!
Well,
I need ammo.
some ammo, of course.
Ow! Okay. Ammo? Ammo! Okay, let me get some. Guess I got the max ammo. Fire! Oh. Wow. Man, these controls really give you the resistance. Nice.
Heroes is safe.
Uh-huh.
Hey, I think I found the wombat.
Uh-oh.
What is this supposed to be a remake of?
Okay. Come on.
I do not
Go in, die.
part of the show.
Come on. Die. There we go. Alright, got health. That's good. Alright. Let's go. Is that done? Okay, I guess you're done. Let's go.
Someone put a bounty on us?
I don't know. Guess it's kind of a recurrent thing. Alright, grind rail!
I hope this is not about your gift.
Travel to Perry.
Hurry, we must get to the front of the parade route.
Oh. Oh, jump. Okay. And jump! Dang it! Alright. Someone trying to disrupt our parade. Hey, we got magnetic boots on. That's cool. Oh, hi, didn't see you there. Come on. Die. There we go. Goodbye. Alright. Whee!
Smiling and waving, huh?
Uh-huh.
I would bet the blogs are behind this.
Blogs?
Fragmites, or
What?
Dr. Nefarious.
Nefarious?
No way.
Where is he?
He's been retired longer than we have.
Uh-huh. Okay. Oh, what the heck? Ah! Uh-oh. Okay, that was close. Alright. Gonna grab that. More ammo. Ah! Bad! Go away! No. Shoot! Shoot! Come on. Alright. You done? Grab that for no reason at all. Oh, I guess we can't grab that. Oh well. Take this! Idiot! Who the heck stands next to a grenade? To explosives? That's just a bit of dum-dum on their part. Alright. Go ahead and,
Glide over.
Yep, lie down. Nice.
I see more
Pick up.
goons down there.
Ah!
Before anyone
Go away! There we go. Come on. Die. Go. Go. Come on! There we go. Nice. Alright. There's more? Come on. Die. Yes. You wanna go melee? I'm good at melee. Ya nerd. Alright. At least all the bullets can get to go near me. Die! Ow! Ow! Come on. Yay! Level up. Let's go. Let's go. Ow! Oh god, I need health. There we go. Health collected. Go. Come on. Die. There we go. There we go.
dropship and end this.
Come on. Let's go. Perfect. That's installed. Damn. Hello. Come over here. Come on. Go. Nope. Ow. You nerd. Let's go. Almost dead. Nice. Oh, perfect. That's good. Nice. You're dead.
Rusty, but not too bad.
Yep. I guess they're all gone. Let's go grab some health. There we go.
Reach the present of our
Ooh, present! I forgot about present.
the last known Lombax,
Uh-huh.
whose kind is lost in another dimension.
Oh, so that's what happened to the
A
Lombaxes.
mysterious gift from Clank.
Uh-huh. Okay.
I had a speech prepared.
Uh-huh.
Considering that our event seems to be under
Okay.
assault, I will cut to the chase.
What?
Ratchet. I
What's
do
up?
not know where I would be without you.
Aw, thanks,
You are
buddy.
my closest friend,
You too.
my teammate,
Uh-huh.
and you have given up a lot to.
To what? Save?
I have repaired
What?
the Dimensionator, so you can travel
Oh!
through dimensions and find
Cool.
your family.
Nice.
No, pal, I...
What? Uh-oh. Hey!
Dr. Nefarious.
You have your own blimp? Or balloon?
What a wonderful surprise!
Uh-oh.
I didn't expect to see you here.
What?
Considering my goons were
Okay.
meant to annihilate you 8 minutes ago.
Well, about that.
What do you want, Nefarious?
Yeah.
Yes.
No, you can't have it. That's mine. Uh-oh. What's happening? That doesn't look good. What?
Did anyone print instruction manuals anymore?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What's happening? Okay. Jeez, my phone. Jeez. Shut up, phone. Okay. Can you bring that back? I would like that. Looks like we gotta travel. Gotta chase you down. Uh-oh. Yeah, that's gonna come loose. Don't worry, we got Ratchet on our side. Both the character and the actual Ratchet. Okay.
We have to get the
Yeah.
Dimensionator away from Dr. Nefarious.
Well, no dip. We gotta do that.
Quickly. Whatever he has planned, it cannot be.
Uh-huh. Well, no dip. He's Dr. Nefarious. What do you expect? Oh. Uh-oh. That's bad. Oh, God. Come on! Yeah. Take a hit from my Ratchet. There we go. And a boom. Ooh, missiles! Actually, fireworks. Uh-oh. We're going down. Uh-oh. What's happening? Ooh. Ooh. Ow. Ow. That hurt.
I should have known Nefarious would
okay.
try something like this.
Yeah,
This'll be just like old times. Come
I guess.
It looks like Nefarious landed somewhere near the train station.
Uh-huh.
Go, Mrs. Zircon.
Oh, Zircon. I thought she was a bad one.
Weapon? Mrs. Zircon has it all.
Okay. Well, do you got a new weapon? Let's see. Enforcer. I do like the Enforcer. Let's see. Nice. Uh-huh. Okay. Ooh, it's a shotgun. Alright. Uh-huh. Okay. Uh-huh. Alright. Okay, can I afford that? Okay, it looks like I can afford one. Gonna get the Enforcer.
That one will look amazing in your arsenal.
Alright. Thanks for the Enforcer.
More goons incoming.
Yep. Let's go get... Now we got Enforcer. Let's go enforce ourselves. Who wants to be enforced? There we go. Come on. Ow! Stupid dog. Die! Enforce! Enforce! Whoop. Nice. Enforcement ammo. Enforce! I say enforce! Enforce, damn it. There. Come on. Come on. There.
One more to go.
Ow. Okay. Cool. I got a shortcut. Where are you going? Come on. Oh, I'm dead. I'm gonna die. There we go. Whew. Alright. But first, let me get some health. Good. I'm a little low. Ah, much better. Halfway. Half health. More stuff! I really wish there was a way for us to be faster. There we go. Nice. Alright. So let's go and start firing. Fire! There we go. Your turn! Nice. Alright. Everyone out of the way. Alright, don't worry. Heroes on the shot. Heroes right here. Oh. Nefarious!
Put down the Dimensionator, Nefarious.
Yeah, that's not yours.
Dimensionator.
Okay.
Yeah, right. Hey, you
Uh-huh.
will see what losing feels like.
Okay.
Spoiler. It's
Spoiler.
exhausting. Soon as
Okay.
I figure out these stupid coordinates.
Uh-huh.
Bye.
No. No goodbye. Fire! Uh-oh, that's not good.
Did you do?
Blew it up? Uh-oh. What the heck? What did I do?
Just happened.
I don't know.
May have a slight problem.
You think?
The bridge is shot. There
Uh-huh.
has to be another way across.
Oh.
The rifts are reacting to the face quartz in your glove.
Oh, really?
Try pointing it at one of them.
Okay. Oh.
Did you see that?
Whoa!
That was rather exciting.
That was neat! Dude, I'm having a moment! What? Take this. There. Alright. So... Cool. That's really dope. What? Oh, they're bad. They dead.
I wonder how much Nefarious is paying these
I
guys.
don't know.
Not nearly enough.
See. Come over. Ow. Come on. Die. Come on. Ow! Stupid dog. Oh, come on. Get closer. There.
Watch your head. This is worse
Whew.
than I had imagined.
Ay, ay, ay. That was hectic. Alright. Let's go grab some more ammo, and then we'll be off. Okie dokie then. Let's see. Whoa! What the heck are those? Okay. They don't pose a threat to me. That's good. Oh no! I'm saving you!
Sand sharks from above.
Uh-oh. Land sharks! No, ow! No, bad land sharks, go away! No, go away. I need to get some more health. Health! Nice. Where's the land shark at? Oh, you jumped at the right time, you dingus. There we go. Neat. Go. I'm getting so much of those ratchets and bolts. Let's see. Uh-oh.
Kraken?
Uh-oh.
Or at least a very large octopus.
Well, at least that octopus took care of that. Alright, what's over here? Is everyone alright? There we go. Do not worry, we are on the job. Let's see. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa! Hey, we're land safe.
It's a ship.
Uh-huh.
Gotta find a way up there.
Alright.
Taxis leaving from that stand are driving right by him.
Okay.
Then we better not miss our ride.
Alright. Well, we can't go up there. Let's see.
When did you
What?
build the Dimensionator?
Yeah.
I have hobbies.
Ooh, hobbies.
Finding the
It's good to have
this has
hobbies.
always been important to you. I
Uh-huh.
thought perhaps we could go together.
Oh,
Wow,
okay.
it's really thoughtful.
Yeah.
Why don't we get it back
Uh-huh.
to the fairies first?
Of course. Nice. Alright. See, sprint. Ooh, we can go faster now. Die! Die! You wanna taste my ratchet? Take that! Come on. Fire! Taste of my ratchet! And you have a taste of my gun! There we go. Whew, that was close. Let's go ahead and hitch a ride on there. But first, let me get some health. Always good to have health. Alright. Alright. Let's see. I mean, they should... If they wanted to make a dimension machine, they should have used like a anti-energy pulse reducer. So that just in case anything like that could happen. They should- Yeah, I want that. Yeah, I want that. Give me that. Nice. I got a grenade hand. Perfect. Let's see, let's get some money. Alright, now let's try out this grenade hand. Fire! Nice. Fire! Fire! Fire!
I kind of wish he was doing
Fire!
a job.
Come on! How about thee? Alright. Ah! Don't hit me! Come on! Yes! Ooh, select a weapon. Hold to select a weapon. Ooh. Fire! Level it up! Perfect! That's a lot of them. Hey, my health increased! Nice. Now I don't have to die that fast. Fire! Come on! Die! Come on! Let's go. There we go. Come on. Bad doggies. Goodbye. Let's go. Nope. Oh, you got... Well played, doggy. No. No shooting me. Stop shooting me.
Work, Ratchet.
Couldn't have done it without
Whew.
you, pal.
That was close.
Now let's get to Nefarious.
Alright, but first, let me get some ammo and health. Alright. Got some... And also, let's get all these bolts. Alright. Whew. That was fun. Ooh, health. There we go. Perfect. That definitely will help. Alright, and there we go. Let's go! See? Get our dimension machine!
These goons are useless.
Well, what do you expect? They're goons!
For giving my assistant paid paternity.
Quick.
Uh-huh.
We cannot let Nefarious
Come on.
use the Dimensionator. We must
Alright.
lower his
Yes!
defenses.
Boom! Boom! Ow. Yes, it did. Do this! Do this! Do this! Oh, not a gun. Do this! What the heck? Ah! What are those things? Ah! Toads. Jeez. Ah, Gary. Go away! Go away! Shoo! Shoo! Oh, nice. This! Alright. Here we go. This!
Nefarious.
Uh-huh. This! Some of this! And some of that too! Ow! That hurt. There.
He is targeting us.
Okay. Go get some of this. Switching to that.
Where did Nefarious find these?
I don't know. Ah! Slug guys! You're back? Ow! Go away.
How many times have we heard that?
I don't know. Ow. Come on. Uh-huh. You said that before.
Are weakening.
Come on. Yeah. Go. Nice. Come on. Oop. Ow. Come on. Let's go. Ow. That hurt. Almost dead. Nope. Dang it. Stop it and die, Nefarious. Come on. Nope. Not again. Almost dead. 6. 5. There we go. Nice. Uh-huh. Yeah.
Yes.
Of course. Uh-oh. Okay. No. No, no, no. Bye. Uh-oh, here we go. Into the Lombax universe. Whoa! Okay. Ah! That was close. Okay. Whoa! I don't know. Oh, there we go. Whoa! Oh, God. Yeah, thanks for the ride. You're telling me. Oh, nice. Uh-oh. Ah! Oh, God. No! Ow! Uh-oh. Okay. Oh, no! Kraken! Come on! Ow! Oh, God. That's bad. Oh. Okay, I guess we're fine. Oh. Okay. Well. Ow. Okay. Looks like we're all fine.
Did I do it? Oh, what? What's with all the neon?
I don't know.
This is the part
Yeah,
where you lose.
obviously. Ratchet, I think you should stop. Uh-oh. Oh no. Uh-oh. That's bad. Okay. No!
Ratchet?
Clank, you lost your arm!
Oh dear. My arm.
Uh-huh.
No. The Dimensionator.
Yeah. It's destroyed.
I done.
Uh-huh.
What have you done?
Who are you?
Yeah.
Someone with a lot of questions.
Okay.
Let's go for a ride.
Come on.
Wait. I have to find my friend.
He's being kidnapped! Oh. Hey, Nefarious Wake. Uh-oh.
It's me?
Yeah.
Me!
Yeah. He's happy. Okay.
The winner!
Uh-huh. Okay.
Emperor Nefarious,
Uh-huh.
you have returned early from your conquest.
Yeah, I guess.
Yes. Emperor!
Well, he's getting that ego all up to his head. Well, guess we gotta go and do something to stop him. Ratchet and Clank, Rifts Apart. Alright, so how do we stop him? That's what I want to know. Okay, so where am I? Okay. Someone gonna drop down? No, there I am!
Clank?
Ratchet! Ooh, look! Got the wanted poster.
Lombax?
Uh-huh.
What is this place?
I have no idea. Well, looks like we gotta find out. Or Rift Apart. Nice
Where are
trophy.
you, Clank? Maybe someone around here has seen him.
Uh-huh.
Have any of you seen a little gray robot anywhere?
Yeah, have you?
Green eyes, red antenna, very charming.
Uh-huh.
Sorry, all the charming robots
Okay.
have blue eyes.
Oh. Okay. Well, bye then. Let's see. Well, looks like I can't really hover anymore. Let's see. Yeah, that was me. Excuse me, have you seen a little robot anywhere? No? Okay. Let's see. Hello? Has anyone seen anything out of norm? Oh well. Let's see.
Please let there be good news behind here.
I hope so. Okay. And that's not good
Welcome
news.
to the Nefarious City Bazaar.
Uh-huh.
Please remember to thank our marvelous emperor
No.
before, during,
Uh-uh.
and after making your purchase.
No. Nada.
Emperor? Does that mean there are two Nefariouses now?
Yep. That's not
Clank
good.
first, Nefarious later. Maybe he's in this bazaar.
Uh-huh. Okay. Let's see. Guess we gotta go up here? Nope. Not there. Let's see. Hold X to glide. I can glide? Oh, I can still glide.
Hey, Lombax!
Her? Who said that? Someone say something? Hello? Someone say something? Wow, what the heck? Huh. Fire? Okay. Well, that's not good. Who said Lombax?
Wait a second.
Wait,
Got your order?
what? What the heck?
Miss Zircon will sell you weapons.
Uh-huh.
Gotta be less conspicuous.
Okay.
Resistance will not last.
Okay.
Resistance?
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Apologies,
What?
Sugar.
Okay.
Ms. Zircon is still new to all of this
Uh-huh.
espionage.
Okay. Uh-oh. What's happening? What was that? Hey! Ratchet! Clank!
Clank!
Yeah! Ow! That hurt. What? I can't believe they didn't... They were so that close. I didn't really see anything.
How can I get off planet?
Yeah.
It's a test.
Uh-huh.
Only royal starships are allowed to leave.
Okay.
Anything else, Phantom can help.
Okay.
Follow the beat to Club Nefarious, and
Uh-huh.
you will find him.
Club
Okay.
Nefarious, got it. Oh, and
What?
nice work, Secret Agent Zircon.
Oh, that's cute. I like that.
So exciting.
Uh-huh. Speaking of,
Club Nefarious gonna
do you have any new weapons?
You want to bring the party to every
Ooh.
mind? Mr.
Okay.
One Guy is the weapon for you.
All right. Let's see what we got. See, we own that.
Well, I cannot wait to sell you that one.
Uh-huh. Okay. That's 300,000 of those. I don't have... How many boats do I have? Let's see. What's this? Ooh. 6 uraniums. Cool. Alright, where do I have to go? Earth? Oh, over there. Perfect. Okay. Let's see.
Sounds like a club, all right.
Uh-huh. Oh. How do we get in there? Let's see, let me go in this way. That looks like a way. Hello. Oh. Okay. Nice.
Phantom, where are you?
Uh-huh. Yeah, we gotta find a way.
You the Phantom?
Phantom? Wait, I am the Phantom! I'm Phantom.
Is there a Phantom around here?
Right over here! I'm over here!
Machine. Watch out now.
Jeez. I'm Phantom. Matt Phantom. Alright. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's bad. Oh god. Uh-oh. What's happening? Hey!
Phantom.
That's not a phantom. Oh god, gotta save Skid. Hey! Get your whatever you are off of them.
Guys, or they'll go after Phantom too.
There we go. Nice, leveled up.
Phantom,
Alright.
wait.
Wait!
Are you? I was just in the middle of a mission.
Uh-huh.
Ratchet, I heard you.
Ooh.
No names.
Okay.
Gotta be smarter than that if you want to join the resistance, new guy.
What?
Why does everyone think I'm with the Resistance?
I don't know! There we go. Perfect. Let's go. Come on. Perfect. Come on. Go. Fire! Ow! There we go. Ow! There we go. Perfect. Alright. Nice. There's more! Go away! Go away! Alright, now it's your turn. Come on. Die! There we go. Whew. Alright, so where's Skid?
There has to be something around here I can use to reach Phantom.
Again, Phantom right here. I don't think that's Phantom. That's Sid. Alright. Nothing up there. What the heck? Is that Lombax? Was that a picture of a Lombax? Hey, hey, hey. There we go. No, that's not Lombax. Alright. Let's see. Ooh, nice. Get some of this. And find out what this does. Alright. Ooh. Jump pad. Nice.
Will you please?
Come on. Come on!
Is this some kind of test?
I don't know.
Isn't it? Hey, wait.
Ay, ay, ay. Get over here.
Wait.
There he is.
Uh-oh.
Football from the club.
That's not good.
I'll handle this, Phantom. You just get to say
Dang it! Come on. There we go. Perfect. Come on, let's go. Perfect. Let's go. Nice. Come on. Now. Let's go. Let's go. Die. Perfect. You dead. Alright. Go get some of that. And some of this. And let's continue on to run in. See, anything over here I can use? Yes, I can. Both health and probably ammo. Never mind, don't need ammo. Alright.
Nice work, new guy.
Uh-huh.
thanks.
Okay. I guess he could be the Phantom because he is using,
Some kind of secret handshake?
yeah, some Phantom technology. Ooh,
What do I do with
got a hand. Oh, okay.
Alright, new guy. Try out your Phantom Dash.
Oh my gosh, I'm in love with this Phantom Dash.
What doesn't temporarily exist.
Oh my gosh. The Phantom Dash. Why haven't I included this in my arm? That's so cool.
Don't be scared. Use the glove.
Uh-huh.
You wanna go
Okay.
further? Jump and Phantom Dash.
Uh-huh. Oh, slow-mo.
I
Perfect.
need a royal starship to find my friend. I heard you
Uh-huh.
get one.
Yeah.
Not safe yet. Just
Okay.
close.
Alright, I'm coming. Alright. Ooh, let's get some of this. That'd be good. To upgrade weapons.
Can you
Alright.
get a royal starship or not?
Yeah, can you?
Lombaxes. You are
Uh-huh.
just as stubborn as she is.
Ooh, another one.
You know that other Lombax?
Yeah.
Where did she go?
Uh-huh.
Gas her. She always goes there after a mission.
Okay.
Sargasso.
Where's that? Ratchet said Thrasto. Where's that? Okay. Oh.
I'll make you a deal.
What's up?
You see that blimp?
Yeah? That one right up there?
You help me take control of it.
Uh-huh.
And I'll help you get into Nefarious Tower.
Okay.
It's the only place in the city you
Uh-huh.
can find a royal starship.
Okay.
What's so special about the blimp?
Yeah.
Just find a way up to that rooftop. I
Got
gotta
it.
grab my gear,
Alright.
but I'll meet you up there.
Guess we can do that. We got a little bit of time left.
How do I get to that rooftop?
I don't know. Gotta improvise?
Another day, another chance
Come on.
to meet the Emperor.
Die! 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 Perfect. I think I handled that well. Whoop, and jump. Jump. Perfect. Alright. Let's see. Let's go ahead and break some of this so I can get some good of that. Alright. Oh, we gotta go up there. I see a way to go up there. Alright. Perfect. Let's go grab this. Nice. I love money. Uh-oh. No! Go away! Get out of here. Alright, wait, hang on. Don't want to explode myself again. Hello! Goodbye! Ooh! Nice! That was so epic. Alright. Whee! Hi. Yep. Okay. Got it. Uh-huh. Okay, upgrade. Okay. Uh-huh. Nice.
You are getting it.
Okay. Alright. Yeah, looks like I am getting it. Nice.
See?
Uh-huh.
I settle for a good weapon when you
Okay.
can make it magnificent.
Alright, I'm getting the hang of this. This was in the quote-unquote remastered.
No need to buy that again.
Uh-huh. Okay. Let's see. Let's go grab this. That. That one. That one. And ammo crate. There we go.
More power is
Oh.
always a good thing.
Okay. This is new. Okay. I'm out.
Happy to help.
Thanks again for the help, Secret Agent Zircon.
Yep.
Good luck up there.
Ooh, what is
And
that?
Zircon was never here.
Oh, okay. Guess I can't get that one. I'm gonna get this one.
Hey, that one is so. Oh,
Uh-huh.
right now.
Miss Fuji's. Okay. Uh-huh. Well, okay, I guess I'm going up. Let's see.
So you made it after all.
Uh-huh.
Impressive.
Wait,
Yep.
you can see me?
Can you?
Where are you?
Yeah.
You got my starship ready?
Uh-huh.
Get it, don't you worry.
What?
I just need you to help me with one last threat.
Okay.
Nefarious Day Spa. If
Uh-huh.
you can distract these troopers, I'll
Okay.
hack Nefarious' propaganda blimp and give this city a
Uh-huh.
message it'll never forget.
Alright, I guess I can do that.
Looks easy enough.
Yep. Anyways. Try some of this. Okay, what does that do? Oh, I can summon minions.
Nefarious City.
Let's go.
The voice of the resistance.
Uh-huh.
This is the voice of truth.
Yep. Voice of truth. Reach it. Go hit you. Neat.
Diabolical dictatorship.
Yep. Okay. Perfect. Alright. Nice. Come on. Like this. That. Ow. Wait a second. I got a shotgun. There we go. Come on. There we go. Ooh, leveled up. Come on. Okay. Hello! Come on. Perfect. Alright. Oh, hi. Goodbye. Nope. Come on. Let's go. Nice. We make boom booms. Oh, hi. Didn't see you back there. Come on. Oh, I'm out of ammo. Come on. Nope. Come on. Come on, we gotta get... Come on, we gotta kill you now. Go. Oh. Go ahead and keep on shooting you. Come on. Nope. Neat. Jeez. Go away. Where do you guys come from anyways? Ow. Ay, ay, ay. Go away. Shoot.
Forget the code. Actions speak louder than words.
Uh-huh. Okay. Whew.
Finally. Nefarious
Ay,
Towers,
ay.
here I come.
Yep. That was annoying.
Wow. Where'd you learn how to do?
I don't know. A while ago? Ooh. Okay.
Looks like I touched a nerve.
Uh-huh.
Deal's a deal.
Neat.
That's Glitch.
Uh-huh.
She'll help you get onto the Emperor's private shuttle to the tower.
Okay.
Access consoles and that huge statue of Nefarious. in the
Yeah.
center of the city. Just hook her
Okay.
up and she'll handle the rest.
Got it.
What are you doing?
What?
Tearing this whole rotten world down.
Alright.
Inside.
Okay.
Huh?
Bye, Phantom. Oh. Oh, no.
Strong, brother.
Was that on purpose?
How do you expect me to get to the bazaar from here?
I don't know. But I guess we'll find out in the next episode because we are out of time. Thank you guys for watching, guys. Nefarious stole the Dimensionator and broke it. Actually, Ratchet broke it, but yeah, he was trying to save the whole world.
Crank will help me get back to the bazaar?
I don't know. But, and apparently there's another Lombax that kind of took Clank from us, so we gotta find her and to get him back. But, I don't know but I'm just tired. So anyways, guys, I'm FM, and I'll see you next episode. Bye-bye!